7:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near LaRue, or 8 miles west of Marion, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Prospect, LaRue, Waldo, New Bloomington and Green Camp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, southwestern Licking County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located over Gahanna, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Bexley, Granville, Pawtascala, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Minerva Park, Easton, Granville South, Summit Station, Beechwood Trails, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Jersey, Kirkersville and Alexandria. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 103, and between mile markers 114 and 128. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 114 and 115. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official national... National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County until 11 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Ohio State University, Whitehall, Obitz, Mycopolis, Carroll, Bryce, Port Columbus, Southport, and Blacklick Estates. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Union County, Ohio, western Franklin County, Ohio, western Delaware County, northeastern Madison County until 5 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Richwood to near Hilliard, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Grove City, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Jefferson, Powell, Plain City, West Jefferson, Richwood, Lake Doggy, Ohio State University, Grandview Heights, Radnor, Urban Crest, Shawnee Hills, and Ostrander. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile marker 78 and 100. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 101 and 108, and near mile marker 113. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pickaway County, southern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Madison County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located 7 miles south of Jefferson, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Gahanna, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Obitz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockbourne, Bryce, Newland, Big Plain, and Lincoln Village. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 96 and 110. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 109. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Richland County, eastern Huron County, southwestern Medina County and northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County, northern Ashland County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New London, or 10 miles southeast of Norwalk, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland, Norwalk, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, Savannah, Polk, Sullivan, Greenwich, Shiloh, North Fairfield, Bailey Lakes, Rochester, Roseburg, Nikon, Shenandoah, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Richland.